Hello students, this is Sister Mills here. Hey, I just wanted to make a quick video as we are wrapping up the course and kind of saying our goodbyes and getting our last feedback in, getting our last conversations in. I just wanted to make this quick video and express my gratitude for each of you. This semester has been another amazing semester. I've really enjoyed working with each of you and getting to know you and getting to know your testimonies and your struggles, and getting to know saints from around the world has really been a blessing for me and strengthened my testimony and helped me to learn and grow in ways that I didn't know that I could. I am so grateful for you guys this semester. It's, like I said, it's been a really good semester. I hope that you feel the same. I know that each of you have had challenges. We've had students in our class who have had illnesses and deaths in their family and family members that are hospitalized, and we've had connection issues and issues with governments where people live that have caused trials for our students in our class. And I just wanted to express my gratitude for you. I'm so grateful that I've had the chance to work with you and that you've been able to continue the course and work so hard this semester. It's really been a blessing for me to be a part of your lives, even in just this small way. I wanted to share with you this quote from President Nelson. He says, "When you begin to catch even a glimpse of how your Heavenly Father sees you and what He's counting on you to do for Him, your life will never be the same." And I really wanted to share that. That's from our prophet, and I want to bear testimony of that, that concept of Heavenly Father being able to see and know Him and know how He sees you is a great blessing in our lives. And I hope that you can pray to see that glimpse of how Heavenly Father sees you, and I know that He will answer that prayer for you. I know that you each have capabilities and skills and talents that are going to bless the church around you, your neighbors, your communities. I'm just so grateful that I get to be a part of that. So I have loved this semester. I hope you guys will continue forward. Contact me on social media if you want to keep in touch. But I hope you guys have a good little break, and then I hope you'll continue on with the Pathway journey, whether it be next semester or whether it be, a couple years down the road, whatever works best for you. But I hope to see you again, and I love you guys, and we'll talk to you later.